How does your brain know that you're you? Let's talk about it. If you're new to my channel, I'm of course Rachel, the neuroscientist. We tend to take for granted that our brains understand that we're separate from other people, or even that we're separate from objects. But in fact, this is a complex emergent property that relies on a lot of different stuff going on in the brain. The second and perhaps larger part of sense of self comes from narrative elements like memories, our hopes and dreams, the stories in our lives. Several structures in the brain band together to complete this seemingly simple but actually complex process of building our sense of self. It's perhaps not surprising then that because it's so complex, it can often fail. Many different psychiatric disorders involve some kind of aberrant processing in our sense of self. We might lose our ability to differentiate ourselves from other people or objects, or our ability to understand our body and thoughts are our own. This can happen in schizophrenia, for example. The more narrative elements of sense of self are often affected in the cluster B personality disorders like borderline or narcissism, for example. And actually, one of the key features in both of those disorders is this constant battle to establish and maintain a